Wait, what?
Which iconic 1960s music festival is remembered for its slogan, 3 Days of Peace and Music? C. Woodstock. Which influential 1960s band was led by Jim Morrison as the frontman? B. The Doors. Which British band released the hit song Paint It Black in 1966? C. The Rolling Stones. Which singer-songwriter released the 1966 hit Good Vibrations? C. Brian Wilson of the Beach Boys. In which year was the Chevrolet Nova first introduced as a compact car by General Motors? A. 1962. Which iconic actress and singer famously performed Happy Birthday, Mr. President to John F. Kennedy in 1962? C. Marilyn Monroe. Which iconic 1960s TV series featured a crew on a 5-year mission to explore space? B. Star Trek. Which 1960s British band is often credited with leading the British invasion in America? D. The Beatles. Which 1967 song by Aretha Franklin became an anthem for the civil rights and feminist movements? A. Respect.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right.